How to log out of Twitter application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually log out of the Twitter app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of Twitter, let's say you open up Twitter, you are logged into your account, you want to switch your account, but you're not being able to find the logout button, right? How do you log out? Well, after you open the Twitter app, you can see I'm currently logged in. So to log out, I just need to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, which is my Twitter profile. Then from the bottom you have to scroll and then look for settings and support. Then you'll find the option called settings and privacy. Sorry about that, you can just come back and then just tap on settings and privacy here. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you want to scroll and then look for the option called your account at the very top. And then again at the top you'll find account information. Just tap on it, and this is where you'll find the option called logout from the bottom left corner of the screen. Just tap the red logout button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just tap on the logout option in order to clear the data and then log out of your Twitter app. This is how you can log out Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.